Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and wishing you all a very, very, very happy New Year, Pisces. Hope you guys had a beautiful New Year's Eve. And it's Friday for me, Friday morning. So I woke up and I thought, let's do something interesting for everyone out there. So we're going to do a fun question today for your Love Bite Pisces. But let's begin with our prayer first, okay? And please know these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? And just leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Pisces, let's take an angel blessing card and see how the angels are going to bless you now, and then we'll start your reading. My angels, blessing, guidance, or advice card for Pisces, please. Guidance, blessing, or a message for them. This one. All right. Let's put the rest back, Pisces. And the card I have for you here is confidence. So confidence is confidence. Maybe somebody's searching for confidence to be with you, or maybe you're cutting out some things which are no longer working for you. Whatever you're doing, confidence is required, Pisces. So, the question that I had in mind when I woke up was, let's do a love bite for all of you today, asking the question, how was your partner feeling about you last evening, okay, or the New Year's Eve? What were their hidden emotions, hidden thoughts when they thought about you? Whether you guys were together, whether you were separated, what was really going on in their head? So let's figure it out, and please know this can go vice versa as well, right? So I could be picking up your cross watchers energy. Let's see. And yes, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for keeping me motivated through last year, with all your lovely comments, your likes, and your donations to the channel. I'm very blessed, very grateful, and thank you for joining me today as well as we ride into a brand new year. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in, Pisces. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box and you can reach me there. Bottom of my deck, somebody was thinking, Pisces, of getting over a fight. Maybe you guys had a fight recently, you guys were not talking or something, so this was on their mind, of how to get over a conflict. Let's put this here and open your cards first. The Magician, Two of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Four of Swords, the Star, King of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, King of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. So let's take some dialogue messages before I interpret these cards, Pisces. Let's see what were your hidden or your partner's hidden emotions and feelings on New Year's Eve when they thought of you, or vice versa. So Spirit, Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person, what would they have liked to say to each other if they could? The innermost feelings. Okay, let's take a couple from here. Pisces and their person, Spirit. All right, thank you. So the first card I have here, Pisces. I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the time we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. Isn't that what we were talking about, Pisces? Wanting to change things, end a fight, end a conflict. So somebody here has been missing, crying, and feeling that, what a waste of time. What a waste of time. Next card says, why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is just too intense in your presence. I can't stop myself. So maybe you guys were not together on New Year's Eve. Pisces, or even if you were not really talking to each other. But from what I feel, you guys were not together, and you're feeling you're wasting time, you're wasting celebrations, and yet feeling rather pulled and always thinking about the other person. Or maybe that's how your partner's feeling about you or felt about you on New Year's Eve. I didn't run away from you, I ran away from myself. It is all down to deep fear of rejection and my own insecurities. So this is what they would have liked to tell you if they could on New Year's Eve, that I still feel magnetically pulled towards you. I can't stop thinking about you, and yes, I made a mistake and I ran away from you, but it had nothing to do with you. It was my own insecurities which I had to deal with. Next card. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. So this is what was going on in their mind, Pisces. They were wondering if you were at another gathering or another, with somebody else on New Year's, and all they could think of was, are you going to be kissing someone else? Happy New Year. And that was kind of breaking their heart here. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. So these were the thoughts going on in your person's mind on New Year's Eve. You would know if this is resonating with you, right? So somebody is still trying to manifest or kind of dream up or trying to be a magician here. They're still going back and forth in their mind regarding how things fell apart between the two of you. Maybe they were playing mind games, or they were trying to, because they were insecure themselves, they were trying to make you feel lesser than, so that they could feel more important. But now it seems they are the ones who are feeling lost and abandoned and tired, and feel like in all these games that they played, they are the ones who actually lost out. And also feeling rather restless here, and feeling none of their wishes have come true without this partnership. Your partner's feeling absolutely ungrounded at the moment. They are wishing and hoping that, the wheel of fortune can start moving once again, things can come back into a flow, because they, I think, have realized that they really, really do have a lot of love in their heart for you. Maybe they have a little bit of trouble of showing it. Maybe their communication skills are not that great, or maybe because of their own insecurities. Sometimes this person could be coming towards you with a cup of love, and sometimes with a bow and arrow and try and shoot down the relationship. It's not they didn't do it because there was no love here, because they used to get afraid of their own feelings, I think, Pisces, for you. This person is wanting to charge towards you with something. What's this Knight of Swords, Spirit? Knight of Swords? Knight of Swords? Knight of Swords. They're tired of the wait. They're tired of just being at crossroads and not being able to make a decision. They want to stop overthinking the situation, and because now they have a lot of regrets now, Pisces, of the way things really didn't work out. Maybe between the two of you, the sadness, the regret, all they keep doing is thinking of how things didn't work out. They want to they don't want to be at this in-between place anymore, of going back and forth and juggling or thinking, because they feel all it gave them was that they are the ones who lost in the end, and none of their wishes came true either. They really want to now end this fight here and head towards their partner. This is quite a soulmate connection here, Pisces. The King of Cups with the Queen of Cups, right? So this had the potential of being a good relationship, but right now, I think on New Year's Eve, both of you may have been, or at least your partner was feeling rather abandoned and left out in the cold here, and they're a bit angry as well. They're a bit angry, and they want to come and fight for you or fight for the connection. So what do they want to say, Spirit, with the Knight of Swords? What's this Knight of Swords? They're angry and they want to fight you because they're missing the love that has now been drained between the two of you. They've thought long and hard. They think of all the investment that has been put and not put in this relationship. They're feeling a lack of love, and they want to quickly, if possible, charge towards you because now they know they've gone in the wrong direction. They've probably lost it. But they do wish to have, this is what they've been thinking New Year's Eve. I wish I could think of some way to put in some investment, okay, to have this brand new beginning with my partner. All the games I played have backfired on me, and they're not happy. So, this is just their thoughts, Pisces. Whether you want them back, don't want them back, it's your choice, right? So, this is how this person was feeling. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. This was just a quick little love bite for you. We will dive deeper next week to see what's happening. Namaste.